The new Trimble R980 is the latest Trimble flagship GNSS receiver. Built on the same platform as its predecessor, the R980 still has features like industry-leading Trimble ProPoint, the GNSS processing engine that allows us to work in more rugged GNSS environments than ever before, TIP, or Trimble Inertial Platform, which provides inertial-based tilt compensation positioning, and now also features an updated communications platform. The new UHF in the R980 has a 450 and a 900 MHz radio to suit the application that you need. We've also introduced a 4G LTE cellular modem where users can put a SIM card into the receiver to work in a VRS survey style or with Trimble's Internet Base Station Service or IBSS survey styles. Also included when you purchase a new R980 is an initial 12-month subscription to Trimble Centrepoint RTX correction service. With Centrepoint RTX, you can work anywhere without the need for a VRS or a local base station and still achieve survey grade results. The new R980 is available for sale now. If you'd like a demo or if you're ready to make a purchase, contact your local Trimble distributor.